Well, hello, folks. You are looking at the top of a digital video magnifier with two USB slots. One of them is for your memory card to capture pictures or videos. The other one is for your mouse. Okay, this knob controls the underlight, so you can use it as a kind of an optical comparator with shadow. You can see the alligator clips. This knob is for the overhead light, LED light. And by the way, folks, welcome to another edition of your Mad Metrology Minute. Look, as we zoom in, we are zooming into obviously my business card. This unit has autofocus. It's a 28 optical zoom, 3 times digital zoom. It's LED. The working distance is 100 millimeter to infinity. It has multiple crosshairs with 9 color selections. Autofocus. Now I'm focusing in and out with my mouse on my right hand. There's a little plus or minus on the screen. Give us a call, 281-209-9000 or 832-423-8116. I'd be glad to do a demo if you're in town, or if you're out of town in the viewing area, we can do a demo online. Now look at this. So nice. Autofocus. Imagine if this was your printed circuit board, maybe carbide inserts, threads, anything along that line. And by the way, this unit will not break the bank. Okay, I have a pop-up screen. That's where my autofocus selection is. There's also some other selections, options, such as capture video, capture photo. It's all right there. Easy to access. So again, this is so simple to go in and out. This unit is a must if you're doing any close visual inspection, fine assembly work. Imagine again the fine assembly work you can use this on. Now I have a OD mic on there. And by the way, this is just a little, I believe, a 15-inch screen. Imagine if you connected this to a big old 70-inch screen, 85-inch screen, or beyond. Just look magnificent. Look at this as we zoom into this OD mic. So nice. So nice. Watch as we move it around. Look at the clarity on this. Again, notice how it autofocus. This is quite the gem. And by the way, it only weighs like 5 kilograms. It doesn't weigh a lot. Comes with everything you need. And again, will not break the bank. You'll be very happy. Now we've zoomed out. You can see its capabilities. You'll be very happy with the pricing on this unit. 281-209-9000. Also, give us a contact for any of your calibration needs. Now we're going to zoom into this common screw. And again, imagine if this was some threads that you wanted to really look into, whether it be you wanted to inspect, whether it be for a optical comparator background or backlight, or just like we see here. So again, folks, give me a contact. Let's get one of these in your shop. And once again, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Any questions, give me a call, send me an email. All my information will be below. Precision, calibration, and repair. We will talk soon.